Yo, what up, internet? The Hyundai Tucson is back in the garage, episode 3. Fuck sakes. 2018 Hyundai Tucson with the 2-liter. Today we're gonna change the starter. They want us to remove this whole upper intake. Let's find another way. And as you can see, you can't see shit under here. So let's go ahead and get that out of here. Alright, so let's get the bolts undone, remove the skid plate. Now let's see what's going on under here. There's the starter right fucking there. Now how the fuck do you take it off is the question. Undo your battery terminal. And just set that guy off to the side. Now we got the new starter right here. Got 2 bolt holes. You got obviously electrical connector. Yeah, let's go. You're laying on the ground. You got no fucking room. There's a little light here. See that light? And then see that right there? That's how you're gonna get the bottom bolt. Oh, there we go. There's bolt number 1. I'm actually gonna remove the battery and all of this jumbo out of my way. Alright, set that shit over there. Remove the battery tray, took the throttle body off. Disconnected the transmission cooler lines, couple bolts there. I just wedged the throttle body up a little bit. Ran my extension underneath the trans lines. And got the extension sticking out right here. Feel the bolt loose. Gotta feed it through all this shit. Oh, I think I got it. Alright, there we go, 2 bolts. Okay, so there's the starter. As you can see, it's loose. Now I just have to figure out how to get it out of all this wire mess. You see all this wiring? I might have to take this sensor off. Basically, it was just in there like that. I just pulled it and it looks like it's just gonna come out. Oh, look at that. Move the upper intake my ass. Less than an hour we got this thing out of here. I've been working on this thing for 20 minutes. So yeah, there we go. The old starter's out. Okay, so new starter. Basically got the starter in place. Now I'm gonna feed the 2 bolts. I'll probably start the bottom bolt, go up to the top, start the top bolt, and then probably tighten the top bolt, come back down here, rehook everything up, and go back up top, put all the lines, put the battery and shit back together. Yeah. Alright, top bolt going in. These transmission lines make this a bitch. Highly recommend 3/8 ratchet with the swivel head, or else good fucking luck. No fucking room in here unless you got little fucking alien twiggy hands. Okay, where the hell are the keys? Alright, the moment of truth. Do I know what I'm doing, or am I fucked in the head? It's alive! It's alive! Alright, well that's it. 2018 Hyundai Tucson starter R&R without removing the upper intake manifold. Turned out to be pretty easy, and yeah, it took about just over an hour, so yeah, not bad. This is In the Garage, episode 3, with your boy, Tippy off for life. We out. Until next time. Peace. Check out the Cutlass Supreme. Chain grip don't slip.
Yummy.